Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by. It is Halloween weekend number 1 at Rocky Fork Ranch Resort, and the kids are just getting ready to start their the trick-or-treat, which is going to be a lot of fun. There's a lot of kids here. So I got the camper all decorated. There's a chicken right here. Right there's a chicken. Doing a chicken dance. Funny. Getting all ready to go. Got the decorations all up. It'll be a lot of fun. Just had a little bit of a sprinkle. This is my new addition here. For some reason I forgot about half my decorations. I must have forgot to grab one of the bins. So a lot of the hanging decorations I had, I forgot, along with some of the tombstones. So it's all right. Wait till the truck goes by. All right, so here's the setup for week 1. A couple tombstones. Of course, I set up my spider with his wide variety of shoes. A couple more tombstones. One of my random skeletons, sound asleep. And my new addition, my blow up guy. Pretty cool. Got my couple of things hanging, but again, I'm missing a lot of what I usually hang. A wonderful ghoul and the cool spider. I've had him for many years. And only one of the ghosts. I'm missing about 3 of them in the other bin. And of course, this wonderful other ghoul. This is the one that we had that COVID mask on for the last couple of years. That was kind of funny. I got quite a stir from the people. But there it is, simple layout this year. So let the trick-or-treat begin. Should be fun. Well, that was fun. Trick-or-treat. I went through, let's see, had a bag of 115 pieces gone. Started a second bag, maybe got a third of the way through that one. So I'll bet you there was 200 kids. There's a lot of kids. I don't remember going through that many last year, first day. So, good turnout. Yeah, good turnout, even with the rain, surprisingly. But it's cold. Oh, I think it's down to high 40s right now. About 7 o'clock, my wife and daughter went up to the competition. They're doing a contest for costumes. So, we'll see how that goes. You go from there. Yeah. I'm just kicking back. I've got the smoker going. Quick peek. Got turkey burgers. Trying to eat a little healthier. So we got turkey burgers in. So those will cook for a little while. What are we at? 275, good temp. Let's see what everything looks like. Yep, still a little early to show the lights. But, yeah, pretty nice little setup. Alright. Wait, let me get out of the way. Check out that outfit. Let's get closer. Admire the... But tell them what? Won what?
I won first place.
She won first place in the competition. Awesome. Let's see your arms. Here we go. Pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Congratulations.
Thank you.